Okay, so two-wheeler, we will keep some bike. Okay, and accordingly we need to set some name. Okay, so now tell me one name for bike. Set. Can I use set vehicle name here? Yes or no? Respond. See, this particular class, two-wheeler is extending vehicle. That means this is becoming a subclass. Yes or no? Right, everyone? So can I set the vehicle name or not? I am asking. Yes or no? Can I use the parent class properties? Yes, of course, you can use. Right? So you can say here set vehicle name and give some vehicle name for the two-wheeler. Okay? You can keep anything. So just give some vehicle name. Okay. We'll go for right. This is the spelling. Okay, whatever. Done. So I just added some vehicle name here. Okay. Now in the same manner, see two-wheeler we have added. Okay, vehicle name could be anything. Yes or no? So now in the same manner, I will also say here it as a four-wheeler. Okay. People, are you there? Everyone? What is this sheet? Then actually here this is not required. Okay. We can directly set it from here. So but yeah, no issues. So car dot set vehicle name. I can keep here some another vehicle name, right? Some I just added like this. Okay. Now we will add all these things. Now we will check all these things and we will check how many tables are getting created within the database table. Okay. So within the database, how many tables are getting created? These all things we need to check. Yes or no? So fine. Right now we will simply say session dot begin transaction and enough. I think these three are enough. What else? Okay. Wait. So we need to also set few more properties. What are they? Steering handle here, right? So I'll just keep, I'm just giving some name, that's it. And car dot steering wheel. Okay. I'm just adding like this. Okay. And now here you see, we have added these two things. Next, we just have to do the save. So we need to save V1 and then let's keep here it as bike also, as well as we will keep it as car. Okay, all these three things I have added. Now after that save, commit, done. So even though it is a subclass, the subclass is able to access the parent class properties, right? Like a vehicle name. Yes or no, everyone? Right? So now here the annotation that we have specified here is @inheritance strategy equals to inheritance type dot single table. That means only one table must be created here. Okay, only one table should be created and within that table only how the information will be stored, that we want to see now. Okay, because we just wanted to control how many number of tables are getting created. Okay, so now here you see, let me first run this application app.java, right? So we'll just run this. One second. Oh, sorry. this is the place where we made a mistake. Now I need to keep this as 9. Model dot vehicle as well as 4-wheeler and 2-wheeler. This is example 9. So done. Now we will run. Okay, it is created now. See here, within this a table is created. Only one table is created. Okay, so only one table is created. Now within the database we will check. Okay, show tables. Okay, so I am giving this command now. You can just check here. One table is created. So now select
Start
start
from
from vehicle. Okay, now can you see here?
Lamborghini Royal Enfield Royal Bench.
Everyone, this is how the table will look like. Okay, so this is a vehicle and 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler. So this is how the table will be looking like. So this is known as single table. For the single table, how we will do the inheritance. If you want all the things to be written in one place, then we will go for this. But this is not mostly recommended. This is not recommended basically. Okay. So now, but based on requirement, you can use any one of it, but this is not recommended. So in the same manner, if I am going for, this is related to the single table, right? So now we have other thing, which as suppose, let's say, table per class. Okay, now you see this one. If I am using, instead of single table, I am using table per class. And accordingly, I'll change even this also. Just a minute. Change the database. Okay, I'll keep it as table per class. I'll use different one. Okay, so just observe all these differences for the inheritance. Okay, single table and done. So this is a table per class. So when you are working with a table per class, how it will be? Okay, so that we will see now. Let us run this again. See, I just created different tables. Okay, you can do it accordingly. What happened to this? Oh, why this import is no, it is required. Why? What happened? Why it is showing error? 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, both I have generated already. Okay, however, they are extending the vehicle. Wait a minute. What's wrong with this? Okay, now it is done. Maybe I might have kept a small letter. Okay, done. So now let us run it again. So we have changed these things, right? And now I will run again. Okay, see what is the change I made? I just made it as table per class. Yes or no? This is the only one change which I made. So let us try to run this again. So now again table per class. Okay. Now here you see what happened in case of table per class. Okay. See here, it has created all these things, right? Two-wheeler has been created as well as vehicle has been created. Okay. So all these things have been created. Four-wheeler. All the tables have been created. Okay. So it's a table per class. So now you see, show tables. If I say within the table per class, four-wheeler is created, two-wheeler is created, as well as vehicle is created. Okay. Now see here. Suppose let's just select star from what is it? Four-wheeler and select star from two-wheeler. Something is showing like Hibernate sequence, right? Okay. I just wanted to show all these things once. See, first thing is the vehicle table created. So this is one thing which is there. And next we have something like a two-wheeler. So this is the two-wheeler. And then we also have the four-wheeler. Okay, so this is going to extend this one. Okay, so like this total three things we have. Okay, so for each and every particular table, this will be created. Okay, so just it is showing the sequence, that's it, but nothing else. This is not required much. Okay, am I clear? How many tables are created? Accordingly, the sequence will be maintained here. That's it, but other than that, nothing else. Okay, so if you want all your tables separately to get created, then you can go ahead with this one. Okay, table per class. So, but you don't want all the tables to get created. We have one more thing also, which is known as joined. Okay, we have one more field also, which is known as joined. People, are you listening? Everyone, are you listening? And so whenever you are trying to develop the project, you may use this inheritance concept also when you are developing the project. So just have some idea over this.